like Axopar heaven. Good morning everybody, my name's Hugh. Today I'm looking at an absolutely beautiful Axopar 37 cross cabin. We're up here in Bewley, up at Buckler's Hard. The sun is pretty much shining. Let's go and have a look on board. Welcome to Buckler's Hard. We're looking at SISU. She is an absolutely glistening example. By the way, she is the one here on the left. We are in Axopar 37 heaven. But we're looking at SISU today. She's a 2021 model. She's the freshest one on the market. As you can see, she's running on a pair of Mercury Verado twin 300s. They're the V8 power option, and they will push this little girl up to around about 48 knots with comfortable cruising from anywhere from 30 up to 40 knots. So the cross cabin is a really neat evolution of this hull, which features two air steps and a reverse bow, which we'll just take a look at now. So a real sharp cleaving bow with a major chine running all the way aft. So extremely high performance capabilities. And as you can see, she's a complete walk round. So there's a table that drops in here. You've got loads of seating up at the foredeck. And then back here, owner's forward suite with a pair of gull wing doors which rise up here to provide you with incredible ventilation and exceptional accessibility. So we've got a couple of roof racks. She's equipped with the BRABUS Trim package and she's powder coated in black. She's called the cross cabin. Just a great evolution with an aft cabin which is underneath this aft sun pad. Big powder coated frame and really easy access on. So there are a couple of winglets outside of the transom which stretch aft. So A, you can hold fenders over them for ease of parking, and B, it allows you to move around this aft area without any problem whatsoever. So quite simple, even with the outboards kicked up to move around. Got access down to steering hoses, etc. through there. Plenty of grab holds all the way around, and as you can see, this exceptional amount of glazing. Fire extinguishers just held in these cubbies here, and plenty of space for rope stowage. Really nice deck gear. It's printed with the BRABUS logo as per the shadow line. Really nice powder coated cleats and running bars running forward. Small step up into this forward well area. We've got electric windlass hidden inside this locker and a really nice stainless steel anchor at the front. As you can see, she's incredibly easy to look after. So there are nice red covers that pop over this so you can leave the covers over the top with cushions still in place. And these big wraparound screens with plenty of overhang to give it a real commercial feel. So sliding doors port and starboard. She's equipped with heating, which is the Webasto Airtop 55 to keep her warm. And we'll have a look at this area first of all. So we're looking aft. You've got recessed lighting, enormous sunroof which opens up, a fabric powered sunroof. Really nice cross-stitched seating. Right the way around in Silvertex. Plenty of cup holders, grab rails, and all of this glazing ensures you've got masses of light coming into this main helm area. So a pair of 12-inch Simrad glass screens, so you can accommodate what you want on them, be it cameras, be it engine data. This is the driving positions here. So Simrad, VHF, DTS Smartcraft controls. She's rated as RCD Category B for offshore for 10 persons or C for 12. That's the Airtop 55, which is heating the entire boat. It's just got a really neat control layout and control there. And then we've got a nice matte dash with demisters to keep those vents and the screen clear, and as you can see, she's fitted with the Simrad autopilot to match with the Simrad screens. So great access either side. We've got courtesy lights around the base of the bulwarks. Bolstered sports seating embossed with the BRABUS symbol and the Axopar logo. So you get really good support there, and there's a fridge down sitting underneath the main plinth. So the table folds in half to allow easier access, and you're straight back into this aft cabin. So you've got fixed windows port and starboard with blinds and an overhead hatch for extra ventilation. 2 large cushions, all well lit, and then there's just this tilting step which gets out of the way, and to improve access, this main squab just lifts up and can be pinned out of the way while you're using this for access. She's in absolutely spanking condition. She reads 92 hours on her twin Mercury Verados. They've just undergone a full service in late 2022, and she's also had a full out of water survey which is available for inspection. So moving into the forward suite, we have port and starboard gull wing doors. We'll show you the way they work in a moment. You've got a dressing seat down here, masses and masses of overhead lighting, so really nicely trimmed out in full stainless steel. Speakers in here, we've also got vents with heater ducts right forward. Dressing mirror, and it is in incredible condition for her age, and again plenty of ventilation and light coming in. So this is how the gull wing doors open, so you just let go of this, which is a safety feature, give a good click on this, and then you've got a nice positive action with a gas spring just to lift those right out of the way. And as you can imagine, for getting cushions in and out, or for passengers coming on and off port or starboard, just general ventilation, or for getting larger loads on board, they make a huge amount of sense. So you can split off this heads compartment. So we have an incredibly clever little system for the shower, which is hidden behind this glass screen door. So there's a riser rail in the shower head, and then when you want to get rid of it, you just lock it away and it's gone. All this is completely shuttable off from the rest of the accommodation via a series of panelled doors. And over to the starboard side, there's an electric Jabsco loo, overhead ventilation and fan, small sink in there. As I said, electric loo with holding tank control and level indicator. Everything is really, really well constructed. So Axopar have made an absolute art form out of building these boats to a price, but with exceptional quality. So thank you very much for your time. This is SISU. She's an Axopar 37 XC or cross cabin, available through Berthon now.